Corrin.
Alright, here we go, game 2, getting started. Oh shit, the traffic has been so nasty, but of course this is the run back. We have Boboiboy versus OverhauL. With the first set, I think OverhauL took it 3-1, and Boboiboy looking for that run back. And this is where he gets it, so it's his time to prove himself and show him that he's got what it takes to get his run back. Never mind. Never mind. Forget what I just said. That it's not happening. It's a yoke. Following up with an air. Good interaction there. I mean, if Boboiboy gets those kind of interactions in the air, because of course you have Corrin with an air, just kind of snuffs you out. You know, he's definitely going to be taking this easily. But with an SD like he did earlier, that's not something you want to be doing. OverhauL, be patient, waiting in shield, and just getting the OverhauL, the out of shield option. Good grab, good punish by that. Landing on stage. Gets the up smash, and is that a bad DI by Boboiboy? I don't think that should have killed. Oh, he's being very aggressive. No fastball by OverhauL. That's double fair. So that's a bad double fair. Oh, good spot dodge. Gets a down smash. Still, oh, I don't know what that was about. Gets a counter, but doesn't get anything. OverhauL getting the up smash. Taking game number 1.
This is Fox, returning to base.
Remember, this is the best of 5, guys. Best of 5.
Stop the battle. Zelda. Fox.
All right, good luck to both players. Oh, I guess it's not working.
2, 1, go!
Wow, what a time for my tournament street helper to stop working. Good. First stock lead by Boboiboy. As we update this, everything's good to go now. Sorry for the little delay. There we go. Good jab attack by Boboiboy. Charges Knight, but doesn't. He's charging up smash. And no punish by Boboiboy. Keeping a distance. Trying to get a forward smash, but OverhauL punishes that with a nair up smash. Showing him that that ain't gonna work here and that ain't gonna fly. And you're gonna just hold that. I'm gonna show you how you need to punish. Dash attack with a neutral B. Putting it in against the F smash is not enough to kill. Misses. Damn. Fast fall there to neutral B. He's definitely supposed to play Zelda. Oh, gets in there, but OverhauL. Never mind. Boboiboy responds with the back air. Don't get up smash. Definitely looking for a nair up smash. It looks like, oh no, gets it down there. Gets it fair. Gets him up. He has him a disadvantage. He's going to take advantage of this. No, he's not. Tries to go for a back air, but misses. No jab block. Tries to get the up smash. Doesn't find the room to get it. Misses the up air. Good bait. Good setup. But it's not enough. There's the up smash. Boboiboy has a solid lead. Definitely wants to take advantage of this, but let's see what he's going to do. Tries to follow with a back air. Oh, good snapback. Turns around his down B. And just like that, OverhauL closes up. Makes it super even. Does he get a punish? No punish. It's a dash attack. This is anybody's game. Gets the up smash. And that's not enough to kill. Not enough to kill. Gets the air dodge, grabs the ledge. What's going on? Gets it back here. Gets game 2. Goes to Boboiboy. Let's see, our top 8 here is not working. There we go. Now we got our bracket going on there. Showing OverhauL versus Neon, Shisui versus Boboiboy, Cold Ramen, Guach, Omega Man, and Ginko, right? Moving up forward. But yeah, right now we're sitting in loser finals. OverhauL versus Boboiboy. Let's get back to our match.
3, 2, 1, go!
This fell. Moving a little bit to the right. What is this? Stop. 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 Right here, we get started with game number 2 or number 3. Sorry about that. And now OverhauL has a solid lead, which definitely, I mean, this is for second and third, right, guys? Loser gets third place. If it was me, I would be camping it up a little bit. Gets the up smash. Is he gonna punish? No punish. No punish. He gets an neutral B. No punish. Where are the punishes? Nothing is happening here, bro. What's going on? Dash attack followed by fair, but nothing to connect. There's the fair. He's gonna take advantage of this. Nope. Lets him back on stage for free. And Boboiboy misses the F smash and rolls while OverhauL tries to up smash, and he just returns the F smash of himself. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, nice air dodge, directional air dodge by OverhauL. Gets back, manages to get back on stage. Zelda, well, Boboiboy spot dodging his dash attack and then punishing with the F smash. Taking that first stock. We're back to a close game. Not letting him land on nair. But up tilt, gets an up air. Up tilt, what's going on? I don't know what's happening. Hey, why does he keep turning that around? It looks like Boboiboy has snapback. Gets an up air, taking the second stock with a solid lead. Yeah, Nitro, that's bracket, bro. Chill. Is my non-modded Switch not good enough for him? I don't think my non-modded Switch is good enough for him. That's not the right skin, Nitro. You should have a better one than that. Yeah, the summer one. Where's the summer one? Nah, summer dress. People were judging me with my moddeds. Gets the up smasher back to this game, folks. The Boboiboy has a good, solid lead. Gets the dash attack. It's enough to kill. It's enough to kill. Boboiboy taking game 2. Solid game 2 by Boboiboy. And here we go. OverhauL overthinking his life choices, but and then we got Boboiboy thinking also what's going on. into banned stages. This is getting serious here. Let's see if we can see the banned stages. No. Our tournament stream hopper is gone. Mitz, JL is fat. Mitz, you're banned from BYOG. No, joking. I'm joking. Here we go. Game number 4 with Zelda, with Boboiboy with a solid lead here. Does not want to let this go. And a good startup by Boboiboy, racking in that damage. This is what you want to see. You want to get that advantage, get that damage in, and just let them play your game. Why approach? I learned this from a guy, you know, you guys know him well. He's a Pac-Man main. If it's faster, why are you approaching? You're windy. Why are you approaching? Oh. All right, here. Oh, this is too much now. Hold on. There we go. There, that should be a lot better, right? I'm not getting cut off or anything. Let me see. Hello, test, test, 1, 2. Hello. Hello. Test, test, 1, 2. There you go. Yeah, that should be good. No, my bad. Not only that, the mic was not like in my face. It was not in my face, but it should be good now. Boboiboy is winning right now, solid 3-1. Lord Muhammad. Yeah, definitely want to take advantage of that forward smash. Damn. Back throw is not enough, but putting him in a bad position. Missing the F smash. Good mix up. Good mix up. Dead. Dead. Boboiboy. Hey, game number 3. OverhauL losing that out.